Hey everyone, it's Kazi from Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can copy data, and when you paste it, you can paste only unique values. Okay, now look at here. I have in column A, I have names and most of them are duplicates, and I want to copy them and paste it here in column G or in column D, and I only want the unique values. Okay, I'm going to do it using Excel's built-in feature, and let's get started. First click on the data and click on advanced here, sort and filter advanced. Now take a look at here, we have copy to another location. Click here and copy to select the data range. I'm simply selecting D1 to D15. Okay, now you can do it to another sheet also, and if I click unique records only and click OK, this data has been copied to column D and it has pasted only unique values. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.